tools than I ever could use. I don't wear tattoos, I don't wear a crew. Everywhere I go I'm local, even if I only spit that Shakespeare. Got the universe in my palm, don't need no stress stone to keep me calm and rush out with traffic. Everything I have I took it, not for granted, but from the granite. Always been the outside and now the outside power. My power's personal, no manager to clean my bones. They say rappers dead, I think most rappers whack, and I don't give a fuck about the underground. I've been doing it for so long and I'm never going back. The future, I'm the last of a dying breed. I'm DIY, the industry is DIE, so what that means?
Crash and burn, the last to burn. The earn is dead, the top is surviving in the end of the world.
The future, I'm the last of a dying breed. I'm DIY, the industry is DIE, so what that means?
Crash and burn, the last to burn. The earn is dead, the top is surviving in the end of the world.
This is not the tomorrow we were promised, but we got it. So my office fits on the side of a pinprick. My employees all high power cursed, and I've been broke my whole life. Every year I'm a little bit richer, cutting out the brokers, cutting out the parasites. The recession, cutting out my customers. No more cutting out my shadow and selling it to the highest bidder. I don't rap like I'm in a museum. I rap cause they killed me before I had. I'm the last of a dying breed. I'm DIY, the industry is DIE, so what that means?
Crash and burn, the last to burn. The earn